Yep, so we're going to be going on Verbolten.
Daniel's going on Verbolten.
Oh, okay. Daniel's going on Verbolten. Woohoo!
Woo!
So yes, this ride is pretty cool because it has a tunnel with a bunch of scary sounds in it and lights. So hopefully the line isn't too long.
Thing there,
Yeah.
you speed up.
Oh yeah.
It's so cool to watch, man, because you do this little thing here and you're all excited and happy, and then you okay, so check it out here.
Here it is.
You do this nice little curve here, and then you go woo!
Yeah, I was right in the front there.
Yes, you were. Okay, that's nice and gentle.
It doesn't stay that way.
No, and then just check this out, right there. And woo!
Yeah.
There you go.
Boarding guests, please step carefully into the seats directly in front of you and hold the harness down over your legs. If you're not riding at this time, please take a step behind the line. The gates are now closing. As a reminder, loose articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest. Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
Woohoo! We survived Verbolten!
Please look carefully into the seats directly in front of you and hold the harness down We're glad to see you have escaped to the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Auf Wiedersehen!